आदमी जो ठान ले तो क्या कुछ नहीं होता है। बहादुर तो वही है जो मुसीबतों से लड़ा होता है। वही पहुंचे बुलंदी पे, मेहनत से बदल गई जो किस्मत अपनी, वरना ये मुकद्दर तो सभी का सोया पड़ा होता है। नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल। आई एम योर होस्ट और दोस्त नीलम मित्तल। आई वेलकम यू ऑल इन दिस ट्राइका शो। अपनी मेहनत से बुलंदी पे पहुंचे ऐसे ही एंटरप्रेन्योर्स की जर्नी को आपके समक्ष लेकर आए हैं। इस शो की शुरुआत करने से पहले मैं इंट्रोड्यूस करवाना चाहूंगी इस ट्राइका शो की टीम से मिस्टर मोनू जैन। ही इज इनटू डिजिटल मार्केटिंग।
हाय, नमस्ते।
डॉक्टर दिव्यरूप राय, जो कि एक पेशे से ऑर्थोडोंटिस्ट है।
हेलो एवरीवन, नमस्कार।
एंड वी इंट्रोड्यूस द ट्राइका शो।
तो आज हमारे साथ हैं जयपुर शहर की एक ऐसी ही शख्सियत जिन्होंने जयपुर शहर में बिजनेस और इंडस्ट्रीज के वर्क कल्चर का रुख बदल दिया है। जी हाँ, इन्हें चेंज कैटलिस्ट के नाम से भी नवाजा जाता है। बिजनेस की दुनिया को एक नया आयाम देने वाले ये पेशे से एक सीए हैं और कई मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज के साथ काम करने का एक्सपीरियंस रखते हैं। कामाक्षी इंडस्ट्रीज, जो टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्रीज में एक जाना माना नाम है, उसके संस्थापक हैं और बीएनआई बिजनेस नेटवर्क इंटरनेशनल को जयपुर में लाने का श्रेय भी इन्हीं को जाता है। बीएनआई जयपुर साउथ के एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर एंड प्राइड ऑफ राजस्थान अवार्ड से सम्मानित आई प्रेजेंट टू यू मिस्टर अक्षय गोयल।
Thank you. Very good evening, Troika team. Troika is a very exciting word because I can relate it to Russia. The Troika means a Russian vehicle which is pulled by three horses together. I think this Troika is really going to rock. This is being pulled by three of the eminent personalities, the dynamic personality, the vibrant people around. And I wish you all the very best. And thank you for inviting me.
थैंक यू सो मच अक्षय जी फॉर बीइंग हियर विद अस। तो शो की शुरुआत करते हैं। हमने सुना है कि आपने सीए की पढ़ाई करी है, तो ये एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप की तरफ रुख कैसे?
Wow. Devirup, it's a very interesting question. It's a chicken and egg thing. So जब मैंने अपना 12th पास किया and then I immediately got enrolled into the CA Foundation course. I got an opportunity to go to Germany where my uncle lived. और वहाँ पे वो handicrafts का business करते हैं. So वहाँ से entrepreneurship start हुआ. I came back and I told my father कि मुझे CA नहीं करना, मुझे entrepreneurship करना है, मुझे business करना है. But then he said, I just sent you to have a look at the business, but you will concentrate and do your CA studies. And that's where when I did CA, I happened to do a lot of projects, project funding and projects, और वहीं से inspiration मिला entrepreneurship करने का, and that's how I think eventually we'll end up into entrepreneurship.
Wonderful, wonderful. So पहले CA किया, फिर corporate executive रहे, फिर textile manufacturer बने, और अब franchise owner of BNI. So why is such a diverse journey for you?
So one is that it's very important to manifest your mind as to what you all you want. तो क्या चाहिए अपने आप को, और ये बहुत क्लियर था कि सीए करने के बाद इंडिया में ना तो प्रैक्टिस करनी है ना इंडिया में जॉब करना है. सो वेरी मच क्लियर कि इंटरनेशनल एक्सपोजर लेना है. एंड जब आप कुछ सोचते हो तो वो सब चीजें ऑटोमेटिकली अट्रैक्ट करती है. एंड दैट्स व्हाट इट हैपेंड दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी आई रशिया में काम करने की. एंड दैट्स वेयर आई लैंडेड अप working for a Swiss company, और उसके बाद one of the Singapore company. And during that journey of 12 years in Russia, I found that a business acumen in myself properly blended with the finance understanding. So when you can do something for the corporates, तो ये confidence आ गया कि you can do something for yourself. And the project funding background helped me to the textile project, And when I came back to India, that was a very tough decision in 2012. Not too many Indians can do that. They want to come back, but you have to have very strong mindset, because it's a very highly paid, financial, lucrative jobs. But to curtail that and then coming back to India is not easy. And that's where I made up my mind that entrepreneurship करना है तो कुछ छोड़ना पड़ेगा life के अंदर. And that's where from minus 45, I ended up in intraday on a plus 45-degree temperature. It's almost a 90-degree temperature change. I took my car and then I went back to a place called Kishangarh, and that's where we started the textile business. Now, during this journey of international exposure, Divyaroop, I found networking का बहुत importance है. Means you can do wonders with networking, and there could be a social networking or a business networking. When I moved around the city, I found that social networking बहुत है, and Jaipur की जो राशि है वो G1 and Jaipur and everything. But then the business networking structure was missing, and BNI, I found and explored that this is one platform which can really change the way people do business. And that's how BNI got founded in Jaipur in 2017.
Great. So, I would like you to elaborate more on BNI. So what do you like so much about BNI that you started incorporating yourself into it so much?
What I like about BNI is, first of all, its philosophy itself, the giver's game. जब किसी को कुछ देते हो तो वो लौट के वापस आता है. I think that's very, very powerful. You talk about all the eminent business entrepreneurs across the globe. You will find that each one of them, after earning a proper net worth or doing multiple businesses, they come back and they say that we have created a foundation where we really want to give back to society. And that was one thing which I really liked about BNI, that if you have really accumulated your experience, you can really help people with whatever contacts you have. Why not? So that is one thing which I like about BNI, कि जब BNI के room में member enter करता है, has a very positive mindset and attitude. The second thing is, it is one family which has an unconditional relationship. I think sometimes in a materialistic world, you find that your relatives and your friends are not there, but a BNI member is always there to help you out. And there are unprecedented examples to really prove this thing. So I think that is what I like about it. It's an unconditional relationship, every time available.
Very true. आपने ये बिल्कुल सही बात बोली कि BNI के members हमेशा आपके साथ जरूर खड़े रहते हैं. So आप इतने entrepreneurs के साथ रहते हैं, उनसे जुड़े रहते हैं, तो आपके हिसाब से ऐसी क्या एक skill है जो एक entrepreneurship के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा जरूरी है?
To put it, I think one is too little, but if you talk about, for me, the couple of things which comes up, one is obviously the perseverance. I think if you talk about me personally, I think perseverance has helped me a lot. BNI per se is a people's game. It's a human skill management, people management, I think, and that's where perseverance, patience is very, very important. But then there are few other things to it. Resilience is one thing which has come up. You really need to change with the change which is coming in. So you have to have an open mindset for that matter. Challenges आएंगे, opportunities आएगी, but you really need to be open up and grab both those challenges and opportunities and see how you sail out perfect from that whole ocean of challenges.
Wonderful sir. So I think काफी अच्छे से आपने describe किया BNI. So थोड़ा BNI के अंदर और ज़्यादा घुसते हैं और ज़्यादा उसकी तरफ रुख बदलते हैं. So I would like to invite Ms. Neelam Mittal.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Roy. So Akshay, in BNI, physical meeting से Zoom meeting की तरफ आपकी क्या राय है इसके shift के बारे में? आपके हिसाब से इसके pros and cons क्या-क्या?
So, Neelam, I think जैसे मैंने mention किया resilience, ability to change, and I think COVID has brought in a lot of a space for us to really think as a business owner कि हम क्या change कर सकते हैं, and with this change in scenario, how can we really improve ourselves? and do some things differently. So I think BNI is the most proactive global organization जिसने 9,500 chapters in 70 countries, 85 cities of India. They have put online in no time practically. So when we talk about tradition and innovation as a core value, traditional meetings अगर नहीं हो रही हैं physical format में, not a single minute got lost, and BNI Global Office made ensure that that relationship continues, those meetings continue, and I think we see that online world has come. Now, what are the pros and cons of online is, obviously the online में बैठ के the type of accessibility, the reach which we have got, I think that is amazing. It's यहाँ बैठ के हम कितने लोगों से कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं, what type of referral, जो हमारा perception था कि नहीं physically मिलके ही हो सकता है, I think that perception got broken, and world is now a very, very smaller place. I think you can go anywhere, everywhere, you can meet anyone. Now, physical meeting का एक charm है, एक aroma है, which is basically more of a personal warmth. When you embrace, when you meet people, you sit with them, there are a few more things that go into it. Obviously, that part is missing. But having said that, I think we really need to grow our mindset that we have to live with that change. And if that change is there, we really need to embrace that change and go along with this. Yeah.
Absolutely right, Akshay. Without any changes, life में कोई spark नहीं रहता है. चलते हैं हम अपने दूसरे सवाल की तरफ. आपने देखा है कि जितने भी सेलिब्रिटीज हैं जो डिप्रेशन के कारण बहुत सारे इनके सुसाइड केस सामने आ रहे हैं, तो ऐसे ही चैलेंजेस एंटरप्रेन्योर्स भी फेस कर रहे होंगे इस पैनिक सिचुएशन में, इस लॉकडाउन में. तो क्या इस लड़ाई में आपकी बीएनआई, हमारी बीएनआई हेल्पफुल है?
So I think challenge क्यों आता है and why it all happens. So reason why is always very, very important. The why is that people don't ooze out. वो अपने मन में जो कुछ challenges आए हैं, problems आई हैं, उनको बाहर नहीं निकाल पाते हैं. The problem could be there are not like-minded people who could really understand them. People don't have a trust with some people to share what they really want. And that is what BNI provides is BNI provide an unconditional relationship. So people are able to share their shoulders. There is a kandha, there is a shoulder to cry upon, to share upon. And people understand and they give real good opinion. They can really help out. They might have gone through a similar problems in their life. And then you start feel relaxing. So I think during my BNI journey, I have found that if you listen out to people for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, they feel so comfortable. And I think their majority of the problems, apprehensions, discrepancies, or whatever they feel, I think it goes away. So that is BNI, which gives, we have good partners, we have good mentors who can really guide us and teach us.
Very well said. आपने अपनी BNI 3 years before start किया था और उसमें उनकी कुछ मुकाम आपने हासिल करने के लिए सोचा होगा, तो क्या after 3 years आपने वो मुकाम हासिल किया?
I think I have never thought that we shall be able to create इस type की organization हम create कर पाएंगे. So we just started कि ठीक है, okay, let's try and have a group of like-minded business entrepreneurs जो एक तरीके की सोच रखते हैं. When they will come into the room, हम लोग एक दूसरे के लिए कुछ कर पाएंगे. But then journey जैसे जैसे बढ़ती गई, I think कारवां बढ़ता गया. That's what we always say. लोग जुड़ते गए, and I think this vision was never there. I think we have exceeded exceptionally well, and I really thank all the BNI fraternity, BNI members, dream team of Jaipur South, who has really helped us to get that national and international visibility.
It's fantastic journey, Akshay. So अब हम चलते हैं आपकी कुछ खट्टी मिट्टी, कुछ शरारती आपकी चाइल्डहुड यादों की तरफ.
तो अपन चलते हैं आपके बचपन की कुछ जुड़ी बातों को जानने के लिए. This journey, this part would take us to your journey of childhood. तो पहला मेरा क्वेश्चन है, ऐसा कौन था जिसने बचपन में आपके दिमाग में एक छाप छोड़ दी हो? सबको कोई ना कोई एक इंस्पायर करता है बचपन में, सबका कोई ना कोई सुपर हीरो होता है. आपका कौन था वो सुपर हीरो सर?
So बचपन की बात करें तो my superhero was my uncle. So what happened is that my grandfather passed away very early. काफी early age में death हो गया था उनका. So my grandmother used to do a small business of papad manufacturing and all that. उसी से, so my father and there are 3 brothers and 2 sisters. It was a large family of 5 people, and so it was very difficult to maintain the livelihood. But then she was very strong lady, and she managed the whole family. उनको सबको पढ़ाया लिखाया. And coming from that family, my uncle got a scholarship to in a very prominent university, which is called Karl Marx University in Berlin. So that inspires that, you know, the challenges, the problems, the financial issues, वो सब पीछे रह जाते हैं if you have a determination. So he did his double PhD from University of Rajasthan, and he was amongst the top 2 people from Jaipur who have been nominated or sponsored to do a 5-year PhD course. So that, I think, inspired me a lot during those times.
सुपर, इंडीड सुपर इंस्पिरेशन. चलते हैं अपने अगले सवाल की तरफ. सर, क्या बचपन में आपने मार खाई है, या हमेशा आप मार खाने से पहले बच के निकल लेते थे?
ऑनेस्ट आंसर देना है?
बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल ऑनेस्ट.
ओके, सो आई थिंक आफ्टर अ जनरेशन आई वाज द फर्स्ट चाइल्ड इन आवर फैमिली. So after complete my parents' generation, so वो एक लाडला बच्चा, you know, was always there. So I think everyone loved me more than पिटाई से ज़्यादा. So मार उतनी नहीं खाई, घर पे मार नहीं खाई, but हाँ स्कूल में कभी बाल लंबे हैं, या you know the type of school which I studied in, they were very strict onto this thing. So वो कभी मार खाई है, केन भी खाई है.
Everyone goes through it. इतनी तो मार खानी पड़ती है. So next question की ओर चलते हैं. Good answer sir. कि कोई ऐसी चोट जो आपको बचपन में लगी हो, मे बी मेंटली और फिजिकली, जो अभी तक आपको याद रहेगी?
हाँ, एक बचपन नहीं कहूँगा. I think maybe while I had my first job. So I had an accident in Jaipur on a very prominent road. So scooter से I was just going. It was 9:30 in the morning. और उस एक्सीडेंट के बाद आई डोंट नो कौन सा सबकॉन्शियस माइंड होता है आपका. आई थिंक इट एग्जिस्ट, एंड उस सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में आई मेड अ डिसीजन दैट हाउ फार इज माय होम एंड हाउ फार इज माय बुआ's home. So my buआ's home is in Jawahar Nagar, and that accident happened at a Birla Circle. So उस एक्सीडेंट में जब सब कुछ गिर गया था, I was in no conscious. I made a decision to go to their place. And the moment I reached there, I completely lost. उसके बाद मुझे नहीं मालूम 2-3 दिन क्या हुआ. So I think that is something which I remember of.
Makes sense. Yeah. So let's move on to next question. क्या आप आज भी शरारतें करते हैं सर?
Definitely. I think दिल तो बच्चा है जी, तो I think it exists in each one of us, and we have full right. Constitution of India has given us all right for that shararat, and I do that.
बचपन में ख्वाब जो होते हैं वो हकीकत में बदलते हैं, कुछ बदलते हैं, कुछ नहीं बदलते हैं. कोई ऐसा ख्वाब जो आपने देखा हो और वो टर्न आउट नहीं किया हो?
So I think that is Monu, a very big gratitude, I think, to Almighty and to all my well-wishers कि I think जो सोचा वो कहीं ना कहीं घूम फिर के वो अपॉर्चुनिटी, वो चीज़ें ऑटोमेटिक आई हैं. So like I said that I went to Germany and I didn't wanted to do CA, and my father told me नहीं करना पड़ेगा, and today I realize as to how important that was. I wanted to work outside, and then an opportunity came and I went outside. I wanted to become an entrepreneur, वो opportunity आया, I took a decision, and today I am here. So I wanted to inspire people, and then BNI came as an opportunity, and that's what I am able to do in my limited capacity, whatever I can. So I think overall that has helped me a lot.
सुपर सर, सुपर, बहुत अच्छे जवाब दिए सर आपने। मजा आया आपकी चाइल्डहुड जर्नी के बारे में जान के, आपकी चोटों के बारे में जान के। सो नेक्स्ट राउंड इज रैपिड फायर राउंड। कैन वी हैव ऑल फोर ऑफ अस ऑन द स्क्रीन?
Any which ways, this Troika show is igniting fire all over. So let's see how rapidly it does that.
Okay, Mr. Akshay, 1 to 4, आपके प्रेफरेंस के अकॉर्डिंग रैंक कीजिएगा फ्रॉम नंबर्स 1 to 4. नेम योर फेवरेट हॉलीडे डेस्टिनेशन. गोवा, बैंकॉक, रशिया, केरला.
Russia, Kerala, Goa, Bangkok.
Okay, name your favorite childhood sport. Kabaddi, Kho-Kho, Gilli Danda and Kanche.
Kanche, Gilli Danda, Kabaddi and Kho-Kho.
कितनों के सर फोड़े सर कंचे से?
We'll have a 1-to-1.
Name your favorite BNI portfolio. Chapter growth, education, attendance and mentor.
Attendance, mentor, education, chapter growth.
Very good. What fears you the most in BNI? Answer in the order of less to more. Renewals, chapter growth, delay in chapter launches, or regional traffic lights.
I think renewals, chapter launches, chapter growth, and regional traffic lights.
Okay, describe these people in a single word. Atul Joglekar.
PNI encyclopedia.
Deepak Alawadi.
24/7 live man.
Harish Ramjivan.
हो जाएगा सर? जी सर.
Sonia Maheshwari.
Multi-talented, multitasking women.
So what do you have to say about this successful BNI collaboration?
I think collaboration, मतलब COVID, अगर COVID के बाद की बात करें तो I think collaboration is the new key thing which has come as a success mantra. And I think you guys have sensed it during this time as to how you can with collaboration grow both personally and professionally. And I think this is a wonderful initiative, wonderful example of a collaboration. When like-minded people come, they are able to explore beyond what they thought was always impossible. So I think that's what you guys are doing, and I think it's phenomenal. I love this show now. And Troika is a word which I really resonate with Russia. So it will always remain close to my heart.
So true, sir. So kind of you. Thank you. What is the worst job you could have done?
Worst job you could done. Small differences, amongst the people, and mitigating that small differences over no issues. I think that's the worst job.
What is your lifelong dream?
So change catalyst.
Change catalyst, yes. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how cool are you, sir? 1 being the lowest, 10 being the highest.
I would rate somewhere between 7 to 8.
What is the first thing you notice about someone when you meet the person?
Attitude.
So wonderful rapid fires till now. And the last rapid fire, how do you define happiness?
It's a state of mind. It's everywhere.
Wonderful. Last time you were emotional?
Yesterday.
Two things you would change about yourself.
WhatsApp accessibility and too much workaholic.
Your greatest achievement?
Yet to come.
Very right. Last question, very typical. So beware. पानी में डूबते हुए किसे पहले बचाएंगे? Wife or mother?
So you want me to shoot? You can shoot me. Right. So I think I'll say mother, because wife knows swimming.
Oh, fantastic.
Wow.
Good answer.
Good answer, sir.
So let's go to the finale round. Last 3 questions from all three of us, and I'll shoot first. Your biggest life lesson and your biggest entrepreneur lesson.
Manifest. Things will come to you. It might take time. That is first lesson which I learned. Things fall in place. In an entrepreneurial journey, keep evolving, keep changing. Don't stick to one thing.
Great. Wonderful answers. Very precise. So Monu, next is yours.
Yeah. So post lockdown, where do you see BNI going?
I think we will grow threefold in terms of size, and maybe fourfold in terms of business size. And I think 10x in terms of building meaningful and lifelong relationships.
Fantastic.
The last question will be from Neelanji.
Yeah, thank you, Monu. Sir, your closing message to all the BNI member and people who wish to join BNI in future.
Wow. So for BNI, I would say that we haven't seen Almighty, right? We believe in God. That's a belief system.
Exactly.
And if you believe in BNI, I think the same magic can work. So अगर किसी चीज में आस्था, विश्वास और बिलीफ अपन रखते हैं, तो I think it is very, very important that we are fully into it, whether it is mentally, physically, emotionally into it. And वो विश्वास I think हमको एक नई ऊंचाई पे ले जाता है, and it shows something which we never saw, and that is what we call as pinnacle of success, pinnacle of having a meaningful life. So I think my message to all the BNI members is believe. If you believe, it works. It works. And change your perspective, open up your mind beyond what you thought was impossible. So I always say that let's keep, the idea for us is not to live forever. The idea for us is not to live forever, but to create something that will. So I think BNI is a journey which we are creating for each one of us, and which will remain no matter where we all are physically, mentally. So let's cherish this whole journey and process. We are privileged and blessed to have this in Pink City. So let's impact each other's life and we make a difference.
Thank you, Akshayji. That was a wonderful, wonderful show with you. And I'm sure हमारे सारे BNI members आपके बारे में, आपकी पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में, आप किस तरह से इतना एनर्जेटिक रहते हैं उसके बारे में जानना जरूर चाहते थे. और आज हमने काफी कुछ निकलवाने की कोशिश करी. You have been pretty simple and pretty straightforward. Thank you so much for being with us. It was a wonderful show. Thank you.
Thank you all. Love you guys. Thank you, my dream team, BNI team, and love you all and all the best, guys. You guys are rocking. Troika, all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.